You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this perfume or eau de toilette? Fragrance, as we say in French, eau de toilette by Givenchy. For more names from luxury and fashion and design and beauty, make sure to stay tuned. In French it is said as YSATIS, YSATIS. So in English you can say it similarly as YSATIS, YSATIS, or in French, YSATIS. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.